starting off with the history of the buildings, and you go back to Cleveland in the teens and 20s, and it was the fifth largest metropolitan area in the country, which led to about 12 such picture palaces being built, as they're referred to. 5 of them remain today, and we control and operate them. What we've ended up with is the second largest performing arts center in the country, outside of New York City's Lincoln Center, with 10,000 seats, serving over 1 million guests a year.
West Roofing is a patron of the arts. We support PlayhouseSquare and other arts facilities throughout Cleveland. But more importantly, we service PlayhouseSquare and their roofing needs. These buildings are priceless artifacts of Cleveland, and we take it very seriously. Hurricane Sandy damaged 2 existing built-up roofs here on the PlayhouseSquare Foundation, and those roofs were quite old. We did not install those roofs, but we are going to replace those roofs with our products, which is the foam blown with the new 1233 Solstice blowing agent and high-quality silicone coating. In order for a product to be sustainable, it has to meet 3 criteria. It must be environmentally beneficial, economically viable, and functionally equivalent. Our tests with the new Solstice blowing agent has shown that it is functionally equivalent. Matter of fact, we found that it actually makes a little better surface on the foam. Environmentally beneficial, it has a lower GWP and a higher R value, and we believe it will be economically viable.
Over the years, blowing agents have transitioned. They started with the CFCs. They then transitioned to the HCFCs, which reduced the ozone depletion potential of the materials. We then transitioned to 245Fa, which is an HFC, which has no ozone impact, but does have a global warming potential. The next transition for the construction community is to no ozone impact and low global warming potential with Solstice LBA. Solstice LBA is a different material from 245Fa. We're seeing better R values, 4 to 6% in initial trials. We are seeing lower vapor pressure and a higher boiling point, yielding smoother surfaces. We're also, more importantly, seeing a much lower GWP. The GWP for Solstice blowing agent is less than 5, compared to 1,030 for 245Fa. It provides a phenomenal environmental solution.
We're spraying it outdoors right now in 50-degree weather, and it's performing great. We have no problems with the edge details, no problems with pass lines, and the blowing agent is doing everything it's supposed to do.
Honeywell realizes that any blowing agent has to be a cost-effective solution to work in a spray foam application. When we developed Solstice LBA, we took that into consideration. You should be using equivalent quantities of Solstice LBA in a spray foam application. You should see better yields and improved product performance. We are excited about the fact that Solstice LBA is available to the marketplace. It has both SNAP and PMN listings, and it's ready to be sold.
When we compete with other spray foam products or traditional installations that have very high global warming potential and a lower R value, and we can go in and we can be competitive and offer something that's good for the environment, it's going to increase our sales.
We're very excited about the new Solstice liquid blowing agent. Because of the great volume of foam roofs that we have in our center, it's really nice to know that what we're putting up there is going to give us better energy efficiency over time. It's clearly better for the environment, allows for a smoother application. What more could we ask for? And we're very happy about this new product.